Jon Gowdy, about flying formation in aeroplane, the only reference those wingmen are following is the actual image. As the speed changes, sometimes you get to about 80 or 100 miles to keep the aircraft in the centre. As the aircraft speed to around about 130-140 miles an hour, when the torque from the engine really takes over, it requires all four controls to keep the aircraft in smooth. As we dive away from the right, you'll see the aircraft on the right has the characteristic elliptical wing of the Spitfire. Today's aircraft is a Spitfire 5C. It's flown by Dave Poliston. Dave's one of the pilots on the team, also started very early. They all started early, teenagers when they flew. Dave got his PPL at age of 17, worked his way through the cassette racer, Pizzas, Super Cubs, all the way up to his first warbird, which was the famous Grey Spitfire ML407. And here they are again. Superb picture with the sun glinting on the canopies as they do a bend past the crowd into a 360. Characterised by its low thumb and opposite the right and left behind the inline characters rasp of the Merlin. Maybe a little bit confused by the fact of the Merlin, but we do of course call it ME-109. Buchon on the back of the brick moving and it's powered by a Merlin. In this case, the aircraft on the left of Buchon is flown by Richard Grace, actually in American commentary. Richard runs our silo. He's got massive amounts of experience in warbird styling with his family aircraft, the F4-J Nellie B, famous Grey Spitfire. But he's flown all of the aircraft in the collection now, all the way down to the Sea Fury, down to the Emily Buchon that's flown. Richard's done the initial test flight. You've seen brakes before, you've never seen a brake with four big warbirds like this one, so get your cameras ready, let's listen for the brake. Merlin engine wasn't particularly as good at a high altitude as the Messerschmitt. But here they come together, closing together right about 400 miles an hour. Let's see what they do. So the 109's gone down. The Spitfire pilot obviously going to use his very tight turning ability to try and get underneath the Messerschmitt. Spitfires we know is a very light aircraft. So the name of the game for the Spitfire pilot is to engage the Messerschmitt in a turning fight, slow down and keep it as tight as possible, hoping it runs out across the path. Spitfire once again pulling up, the reduces the range of his turn. The 109 now pulling very hard, he's gone through a very high speed part of the flight, so he's struggling now to get behind that Spitfire. The other thing about the Spitfire, which is a major advantage, is it had that lovely big perspex canopy. The one problem for the 109 throughout the war was it was designed with a very simple greenhouse, a very hard-edged greenhouse, which the pilots today find it very difficult to get into and beneath. But it also makes it very difficult to see behind the aircraft, whereas the blown canopy on the Spitfire means you can look over his shoulder and see where the Messerschmitt is. And it looks like it's coming up very close behind. So come on Dave, do something. Okay, so he's going off, especially then. He's given up. And this is often what happens, advantages over the Spitfire, especially over the UK countryside. During the Battle of Britain, they obviously have to break off quite early, and therefore leaving the combat with a disadvantage. And you can see very quickly the Spitfire pilot is using very light, nimble aircraft to get on the tail of the 109. Now it's so the 109's going to bug out. just like they did in 1940, trying to get away across the channel, pushing the nose down, long fight generally across the channel to see what happened. Hang on, is that smoke? Yep, it looks like Dave's got close enough to hit the coolant system perhaps on the 109. Yep, definitely smoke. Nice to have a look down the bottom side, we'll see the 109 off, and that's the end of it. I suspect it was not a great surprise that the Spitfire wins in the UK Airshow. They exhibited throughout and back into World War II, which made them the primary fighters for the Americans over in Europe. The next naval pilot was also 747 He's carrying out the classic wingman portion of being a combat pilot. The whole point of being a wing leader was you had to have a tail throughout the combat, and the wingman had to stick to them literally like glue. That's exactly what he's doing at the moment. Rolling out to the other side of a half Cuban. On the initial dive-in from caution, Jon can only use around about 30 inches of manifold, that's about half the actual power the engine can use. But as the aircraft then raises its nose up, the Thunderbolt, with a much heavier airplane, starts to slow down. At that point, they can then reapply the power so that the other aircraft will better match.
At the end of the barrel, we put you up, boys.
So tipping up now into a wing over, they're going to use that energy again, gained by climbing up to around about 2,500 feet. They're going to point the aircraft to the ground, aim to gain around about 300 knots for a barrel roll. Particularly difficult manoeuvre for the wingman because as the aircraft rolls and climbs, everything is changing. Think about these aircraft is unlike a jet aircraft, as the speed changes, I spoke to Jon this morning, he said actually when the P-51 was in perfect position, right on the elevator, he has to pull it twice as much back into the stick. Now the final move of the two American fighters, you can see the two other fighters are hanging around in the background, they're going to join up together into the fall. Because if you didn't get your cameras ready for that first pass, because it was pretty fast at 300 knots, they're going to rejoin again into a box 4 for some photo passes. The most amazing thing about this collection of aeroplanes, now I'm sure you've seen them all before, and this is a fantastic display, but did you realise you can actually take the chance to take part, if you wish. You can actually experience everything these pilots experience by taking a flight in a two-seat aircraft of the aircraft you see in front of us. Not the Thunderbolt, there are no two-seat Thunderbolts, but I'm sure you're aware there are two-seat Spitfires, but there are also, this particular aircraft is a purpose-designed two-seat Mustang. It's got a perfect 100% set of controls on the back, so you can fly this aircraft, you can fly a two-seat Spitfire, and we have the world's only two-seat Buchon, which is the Spanish Merlin role. You can also fly in that. Meanwhile, here come the team from the left, cameras ready for our banana pass in box. What it feels like flying through those four aircraft. So once again, here we come, the Ultimate Fighters led by Jon Gowdy in the lead of the Thunderbolt. We've got Dave Culliston in the Spitfire, Andy Thurston in the P-51, and Richard Grace in the Buchon 109. Running in from your right for the final break to land, the Ultimate Fighters. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, that's the Ultimate Fighters. We, I think you'll agree, a fantastic displayed by those four pilots. The future warbirds, they're all young gentlemen, shall we say. And then they go down into land. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Ultimate Fighters and Mark Lee.
Mustang, final gear down for the hard. Check your wrist.
Just the only thing I didn't have with it is the strap.
Full minutes, suspension.
Unfortunately, I was at home.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, from the right, our Navy